today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of ClickUp's AI feature. Whether you're new to ClickUp or looking to boost your productivity, this guide will walk you through each step in detail, helping you to harness the power of AI within your workspace. Let's begin by navigating to ClickUp. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and go to the ClickUp website. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access the platform. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by ClickUp's intuitive dashboard, which is your starting point for all tasks and projects. Next, you'll want to identify and select a space or a list under your preferred space. Within ClickUp, spaces act as high-level containers for organizing your work, while lists are subsets within those spaces where tasks and projects reside. By clicking on a specific space or list, you're essentially narrowing down the focus to the tasks and resources you're particular about handling. This helps in streamlining your work process efficiently. Once you've chosen a space or list, it's time to explore the AI capabilities. You'll notice an option labeled Ask AI in the interface. Click on this, and a new window or panel should appear, prompting you to interact with ClickUp's AI. This feature acts as a virtual assistant, ready to help you with queries or tasks automation. Whether you need help summarizing long reports, generating new ideas, or even setting reminders, the AI is designed to support a wide range of requests. In the new window that opens, you'll find a blank input field. Here, you can type in your query or command. The key is to be clear and specific about what you're asking or what action you want to perform. For example, if you need the AI to generate a summary of a lengthy document, simply type something along the lines of, "Create a concise summary of the document titled XYZ," or if you need help brainstorming project ideas, you might type, "Generate 10 creative ideas for a marketing project." Remember, practice is key to mastering the use of ClickUp's AI. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of queries. The AI is continuously learning and improving from interactions, so feel free to explore its capabilities. As you become more familiar with this tool, you'll likely find that it can significantly boost your productivity, streamline your workflow, and help you tackle complex tasks more efficiently. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making the most out of ClickUp's AI feature. With these steps, you've gained insight into harnessing technology to enhance task management and overall productivity. Thank you for watching, and happy clicking!